Yeah, just now that question, right, is something like this. Okay? And then of course there is the graph question. Okay? And of course that paper has one extra question, which is the real life. Okay, so it looks to me you might not need to learn this, but I think it's good to know. Not too hard. Okay? I think over here is correct. Then after that, as well, number percentage. So you just convert this into percentage. Yep. So 9/6. Yeah. Just convert the fraction into percentage by times. Actually, you should times 100%, not 100. You times 100 is wrong.
Yeah, but if I times 100%, then
very good.
then
You always. I don't know why you have this argument all the time. Okay. You times 100%. What you need to do is the percentage you copy down. And you only use your calculator to do what is in front of the percentage sign. That's why you get 150. That's why the answer is 150%.
Okay.
So one more time, I want to emphasize this one more time. If you times 100, you're wrong. Can you repeat what I say?
If times 100 is wrong.
Correct. Why is it wrong?
Because it's 100%, not 100.
If I give you 0.5, hello. If I give you 0.5, you go and times 100. You know what you have done? You multiply your 0.5 by 100 times. Okay? You are not doing conversion. This is not conversion. This is inflate the original answer by 100 times. You don't want to inflate the answer, right? You just want to convert, right? Convert from what to what? You want to convert from decimal number to percentage. You do 100%. And let me emphasize one more time. Copy the percentage sign down. Use your calculator to do the calculation here. So it should be 50. So the final answer is 50%. Are you clear?
Yeah.
This is conversion. This is not conversion. This is you inflate the answer by 100 times. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay? So let's say if you get this, if you are asked to convert the fraction into percentage, you times 100%. Why times 100%? Why not 100? Which one is correct? Which one is correct? If I want to do conversion.
100%.
Why?
Because it's percentage.
What you are doing here? If you do it this way.
It's just times 100.
Times 100. Mm-hmm.
There is no aim to like the 100.
No, I will ask you why you times 100. Can you just take a number and times 10 or times 100 or times 1000?
Yeah.
You can take any answer and then just times 100. What you want to do here?
Finding the percentage.
No. Finding the percentage of what?
Of 1/3.
Correct. So it's basically you want to convert from one form to another. This is fraction, this is percentage. This is decimal number, this is percentage. Basically you are doing conversion. Remember the word conversion. You know what's conversion? Yeah. Conversion means you cannot change the value. You cannot make the value bigger. You cannot make the value smaller. You only change it from one form to another. What is one form? Fraction is one form. What is another form? Other than fraction.
Decimal.
Yes. What is another form?
Mixed number.
So if you want to change something from one form to another, you shouldn't increase the value. You shouldn't decrease the value. By times 100 here, what have you done?
It's just times 100.
What have you done?
Never convert.
Yeah. I asked you what you have done. I give you one eraser and you go and times 100. What's the meaning of this?
Just making it 100 more.
Yeah. I give you one only. You go and times 100. What's the meaning of that? Are you going to return 100 to me? Are you going to return 100 to me?
No.
Does it make sense?
No.
I give you 1, you return 1 to me. I give you 1, you times 100, that means you are going to return 100 to me. That doesn't make sense. So, please understand. When you do conversion, are you supposed to increase the value or decrease the value?
No.
Not at all. You shouldn't. When you do conversion, it's just conversion, one form to another. You know that's the meaning of conversion. cm to meter is a conversion. It's the same value. Understand?
Yeah.
But when you times 100, what it means?
Multiply by 100.
What it means?
Increase by 100.
Yes, you don't want that. You don't want to increase the value by 100 times. Because the objective is to do conversion. I cannot emphasize this enough. Conversion means one form to another. The value is the same. That's why when you write 100 cm here, it should be equal to 1 meter. Right? Same thing. If you write 1/3 times 100, you increase this by 100 times. That doesn't make sense. You are not doing conversion. You are making the number bigger. That's why you cannot times 100. That's why you times 100%. And you write down 100%. And when you do the calculation, you do the calculation for this part. Percentage, copy down. 33 and 1/3. Why I express as 33 and 1/3?
Because
Why not 33? Why not?
because it's the most
Accurate.
accurate.
I prefer mixed number. Okay, so next time when you do conversion, you times 100%. Not 100%. After that, copy the percentage sign down, do the calculation for whatever is in front of the percentage. Are you clear? I don't want to keep arguing about this anymore. I'm sick of it. I'm already sick of this. Okay? I'm already sick of this. You are the only person who keep arguing about this since day one. Really, since day one. And we are still talking about it. Are you clear? What you need to do next time?
Or move up the percentage behind the 100. Then move the percentage down and then multiply the whatever number times the 100.
Correct. I understand. Just now you say, hey, I go and key in this 100%. I get 1/3 from the calculator. I don't get percentage. That's why I times 100. But did I not tell you? Are you supposed to key the percentage inside the calculator?
No.
You're not supposed to key the percentage inside the calculator, but when you write, you need to write. You key what into your calculator? You only key this one. But when you write the percentage down. Understand or not? Calculator angle represented. Okay. Construction. Okay, bisector of angle third ABC. Where's your angle ABC bisector?
This line.
How do you get this line? 我一看你就错了。Okay? Can you erase everything except this triangle? Tidy up your table. You don't need so many pens by the way. I just want your compass and projector. What's the meaning of bisector of angle ABC? Where's ABC?
ABC is C is supposed to be up here,
Okay,
but I
good.
use it. ABC.
Next time when you erase, use a ruler cover, just keep erasing. So this one is protected. Understand? So which angle they are referring to? APC.
This
ABC.
angle.
Okay, good. So you need to angle bisector this. How you angle bisector this? So let's say if I don't ask you to use this, I ask you for this plus the projector. Where's your projector? And the rest you put it aside. 这里不用看的。You have a lot of compartments, so it's good that maybe you want to put your ruler just in one of them. Didn't bring. Okay, never mind. Just give me a ruler. You have any ruler?
Yeah.
Okay, just take out one. By the way, you're supposed to put this back into that box. Okay, it should be in a box. You will lose this very easily if you just put this alone. Can you put this back into that box, and every time you just bring that box?
Okay.
Because that box has a lot of rulers, that whole set of rulers. Okay, if this is the angle, right? If you want to get the angle bisector, where that line should be?
Here.
Somewhere here, right? Like go here, right? So how do you get the angle bisector? Using this.
This.
Show me. By the way, this is a bit blunt already. It's not going to be accurate. You better sharpen it next time before you cut. That's why I want you to put this back to that box, because that box has a sharpener also. 很好啊，为什么 Why are you going to erase? Why are you going to erase? It's very good, right? Where it's supposed to be?
Here.
Okay, good. Okay, stop. You know how to draw angle bisector?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then here, right?
Okay, 错。 Look here, stop. If you don't know, you keep doing, it's wrong. No point. Let me give you an angle first. Let's say this is the angle. I know. Okay, that means I know somehow that line is somewhere here, right? Okay. So how do I get this line?
Draw a line on the top. Like
No. First, needle, pencil. Here. Psst.
Yeah.
After that,
The other side, right?
label.
Oh.
Look first. No rush. Later you get a lot of chances. After that, needle. Come here. Psst. Same thing. Don't move, huh? Needle. Come to this point. Psst. So just align this. So this is the angle bisector. I remember I asked you whether you need to do construction or not. You said no the other time. But now I realize. Wait. So big for what? Just now so big, you are not going to cut. You better choose long enough, you cut both. 为什么一直 How come it's moving one? Can I understand how come it's moving? When you draw, how come it's moving?
I don't know.
This is mine, right? Good. Did you change it? No change 你看你又 change 它呀。You fix it. Fix it. Don't after that, wow, move. What's the point? Tighten this first, okay? 重来。You decide this length is this length throughout. Don't later how. Let me help you tighten this one a bit. Maybe because of. Let me help you tighten this one. Yeah, I think this one is too loose, that's why. Yes, too loose. Okay, try. Okay, good. Now it's good. No need so big one. Long enough, sorry. Yep, long enough. Right? Yep, good. Alright. Did you change the size?
No.
Okay, try not to, because you're not. Yeah. Don't try to bring it to your side. No. 来 Yes. 来，可以了，够了。等一下。Let me remove this. Yeah, good. Go. Correct. Very good. You see? Must be tightened a little bit, so that now you can. So this is the angle bisector of that angle. But let me be honest with you, your this is really blunt already. It's going to affect. But anyway, this is the angle bisector. Okay? So this is part what? Part I. BI. So can you write down BI here so that your teacher knows, oh, my BI is here. Please look here. Okay, good. Next, what they say? Perpendicular bisector. How to get perpendicular bisector of AB? 没有，用这个。Can you roughly tell me how you do first before you do?
Use over here, right? And
Yep.
then over here,
Okay,
draw
yep.
one.
Yes.
And then at the bottom also draw
Very
one.
good. Go ahead.
And over
Go
here,
ahead.
draw one.
很好，走，继续。Very good. Yep. Now it's not moving already. Very good. 等一下，你不是说draw one 吗？ Wait. It's very wrong to use this hand to move this. You should try to just hold here, just like this. Always. So come here. Can you try to like pick here, pick, grab here, on top. Yes, good. Go. Yeah, go. Then below also. Very good. I think over here you can extend a little bit. No, that side. So that you cut across. Yeah, good. Good. Yeah, 很好. Okay, good. Then join these 2 points. Wait. Must go through the entire triangle. 来. Yes, go through the entire triangle. Down, further. Must cut through one. Good. Okay, good. Then label this is B part 2. Okay, so that the examiner knows which one is which one. Then after that, meet at the point P. So where they intersect.
Here.
Then can you mark it more noticeable? P. Then shade. Sorry. No lah, this is not shading. This is called circling. Okay? This is a point, not that circle. Understand?
Measure the length of AP.
AP is it?
Yeah, from A to P.
So you need to draw a line first. A 是这里. So you draw a line from A to P first. Line. Tilt. So you measure, I think it's 4.8 or something. Yeah,
4.9.
Yeah, 4.9. So you just write 4.9 here. Yeah, 4 point. Okay, so this is part C, so just label part C. Yes. Okay? So that's how you get this construction. Okay, so yeah, it's going to come out. We saw one questions. So this question is similar to the polygon. We saw one just now, right? Okay, good. So do you write do you use the find the area of the shaded region? So correct. So put 27. You get the radius first. Then 11 times the radius. What's 11 times the radius? Then divide by 2.
Because they want us to find the circle first. Like, they want us to find the shaded region.
Yeah. How?
So first find the circle, right?
Yep.
And then
Where is the circle area?
circle area here.
Come on, where is it? Okay.
Over here,
Yeah.
I originally over here I wrote like the reasons, but then my mother says so too messy, so I erased
Yeah,
it.
very good. So explain to me what this is.
Okay, so this one is a triangle.
Yeah, triangle, yes.
No, like
Triangle, yes.
this one.
Yeah.
This one is the height of the triangle.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Okay, then.
13.5.
Okay.
And then this one is if the triangle like
Okay.
was
This
a
is 11.
rectangle.
Okay. This is 11. Yes. This is the base.
Yeah, 11 times 13.5 is like if the triangle was a rectangle.
Yeah.
And then because rectangle divided by 2 equals to triangle, so 148.5 divided by 2 equals to this one. And because there's 8
Very
of,
good.
8
Very
of the
good.
triangle, then it's this one.
Okay, so you are trying to complicate things a lot. What's the area of triangle formula line? Area of triangle.
Half times base times height.
What's the base? 11. What's the height?
13.5.
Then why you complicate things so much? You just have to find out one of them, and then this one of them times 8 because you told me like 8 of them, right? Then you should do this. Okay? You should do this, not this. Stop using the what? Get the rectangle divided by 2. No, stop using the one. It should be half times base times height. Okay? So answer. Just minus off. Okay, now you can minus 9. Okay, 2. So this one, very common. LCM, KCF. Okay, question 10, you don't know how to do. So it says a dinner gathering for a friend. He has a budget of 600. The cost per person is 22.80. So right now you got a number can invite. So 600 divided by this one. One person cost 22.8. So you have $600. So it's 600 divided by.
Why they ask what let X be the number of people that he can invite?
Very good. Okay, so 600 divided by this 22.8. I think it's not okay. The number of people has to be a whole number, right?
Yeah.
Because you cannot be 1.5 person, right? So in a way, over here, I think you will have like 11.5 people. So can you have 11.5?
No.
Cannot. So you take 11.
Then why they say let X be the number of people?
So let X be the number of people. So in a way, right? So your this 22.8, right? This is per person, right? You times the X. This is the number of people must be less or equal to $600. That means your this number of people times the 22.8 cannot go over $600 because you only have $600. So this is the inequality you look for.
Then can we simplify like 22.8?
Now you need to simplify. So now how do you simplify the inequality? You divide by 22.8. On the left hand side, you divide by 22.8. Do you need to switch the sign?
No.
Why not?
Because it's not a negative number.
Yeah, so 什么 not negative number? 再来一次。Because you never divide by a negative number.
Because never divide by a
You
negative
can use your calculator and then 那里。
This one is 26.3156.
Give me a mixed number.
26.619.
6 over 19.
Yeah.
Okay, so in a way, right, the number of people you can invite is 26.
Under and equal to x.
Correct. So it's 26. It's not about round up or round down. You can only invite up
26
to 26. Can you invite 27? No.
No.
Yeah. So you use the 26. So what they ask? So okay. So at first you just show this. The working should be this part. Okay? So now I give you another question, similar to this. The concept of inequality. Each person costs 24.5. You have Y number of people. So the total cost is 24.5 times Y, right? So now you have $700. So your this total cost can never exceed 700 because you only have 700 ma. So in a way it's more than equal 700. That's the inequality you form. So once you form the inequality, you solve. So you divide by 24.5. Then this one divide by 24.5. Right? Then after that, y is equal, smaller equal. So you just, do you need to switch the sign? No, because you never divide by a negative number. So similar concept over there. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the next question. Okay?
Okay.
Prime number, okay. Very good. Okay. One thing to note. The cube root, the 3 should be up. Don't write it down. Don't write it this way. Wrong. Don't write it this way. Wrong. Top left. Understand?
Yeah.
If you write it like this, strictly speaking, wrong. Okay, 1.6, then 98. 他有叫你 round 咩？没叫你 round 啊？没有叫你 round，为什么你 round？ Just give them the exact one lah. Can you give me this exact one?
Exact one is next
Hold on.
number.
等一下。Hold on. 98% of Kelvin. Daniel's height is so. I'm confused already. How do you get this? Daniel is 115% of Alan, right? So 1.6 times. Okay, this one is good. So this is Alan. So it's 98% of Kelvin. So Kelvin times 98% is this. So this one have to be divided by. So times. Okay. So what's the exact number here? Just give them exact. 对咯 Just give them exact. Make exact.
14349.
Yeah. So you're not supposed to give in this format. Do you know why, right? Because they never specify, right? Then someone, if you can give an exact, right, just give them exact. If not, treat it.
Okay.
Okay? So, if you can give an exact, give an exact. How come you never solve this? This is 10, so 10 times.
Yeah. 16249 10.
Okay? Times the 10.
16240.
Yes.
2490.
Yes, you need to write that down. That means you need to get the answer. Did they say solve?
No, they said factorize.
No, this one. Find the exact value.
Oh.
So the exact value. They ask you to use the factorization method to solve. So the gradient should be negative 2. Okay. Just to caution you once again, the 2 should be very small one. You don't write it as big as the y. You don't write like this. Alright? 这个 use calculator. Calculator for significant figure. 你这个是 five significant figure already. Four significant figure means 1,
Oh,
2,
wait.
3. This kind of question is giveaway, but you didn't get the gift. Too bad.
Okay. $2.533.
Second, the price of bottle is just okay. This without your proper estimate the price. 3 times. Okay. Put a bracket there. But once you put a bracket there, you are still wrong. Did you put the bracket last minute today or what?
No.
I thought you put the bracket over here. You look, you put a bracket, right?
Yeah, I know. Over here.
Yeah. I can't help you with this anymore. You keep making this mistake. I can't help you with this anymore.
One.
Can you try to put the 1 back and see if you can